Our project is about building a mechanical shaker and then with analytical sieves. So back home we have just one mechanical shaker, and then a stack of sieves.
Personally, I see a lot of sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you know this, I know this, I don't know this. You are able to help me, and even because it's open, you can always look for information outside the workshop, online. Things are available, and people are willing to share what they have with others.
The exposure, getting to meet people from different places and people who have like the technical know-how, because we all didn't do anything engineering, electrical engineering, nothing. We are just pharmacists. So we have somebody who's an electrical engineer, somebody who is good in coding. So I know of open resources. I knew of some, not all. So coming here, I've got to know a lot more. Yes, and then it's like your thoughts are your limits. That's it. Like if you limit yourself in your head, and that's it. But
I was at the previous workshop, and we were able to set up a printer, make the printer work, and do a simple project. But coming to this advanced workshop, it's kind of pushed the limit of what we can do. So previously we thought that, okay, if you're going to do this and that, it's too complicated. Don't try it at all. But we've come here and we've seen other groups doing it. So it actually changes our mentality that, okay, it doesn't really seem so complicated. Once you get the right people on board, we can be able to.
You don't have to have the skills in terms of technical skills or technological skills before you start. It's just if you have passion for it and you want to do it, you start it to work out. This has actually given us a lot of experiences. You know how to go about, how to source organizing your materials, your expectations, and possible alternatives if you have challenges. And when we go back, I'm sure it's going to be really helpful in building the other projects that we have online.
Open hardware is like whatever you want to build, whatever you want to do, so long as it's in your head, you can get it done. And obviously, there are challenges that come along with it. It doesn't mean you're not going to get it done. It means it's possible. You just have to psych yourself for it. So, open hardware is open. You can do anything you want to do with it. So you just have to plan it out, get the right information from people around or other open resources.
One idea I had about open hardware was more of, okay, somebody has this and it's maybe cheap or it's available, but I didn't see the building aspect. And this is a place I'm seeing that is what it really means to be able to build your own, having others who have done it or learning from people who have done it and they assisting you to be able to build your own equipment.